Hi, this is Yvonne. Thanks for following Saluzan. We help companies start selling online in China. PPC advertising on search engines requires us to have enough valuable resources. I bet everyone who works in the industry knows the importance of having a good account structure for a logical ad. Establishing a good account structure would help us to lower our advertising costs as well as getting a better result. Therefore, today's topic is how can we optimize our account structure to maximize the overall advertising effectiveness. Let's begin without further ado. Account structure. Every account consists of 4 layers. They are the account itself, our campaigns, ad groups, keywords, and ads. We can create 300 campaigns at maximum, and each campaign can contain 1,000 ad groups. An ad group can contain 50 ads and 5,000 keywords. While we can link an ad with different keywords, a keyword can also be linked to several different ads. 1. Campaign. Our campaign is the second layer in the structure. It consists of different ad groups. Specifically, we can place products from the same category in a campaign and later create an ad group under that particular campaign to manage these products separately. We can also set up our target geographical location, daily budget, advertising time period, and negative keywords for our ad. The next question is how should we optimize our campaign to reach more of our target audience? Number 1, create a campaign to meet your need. When creating a campaign, we should be realistic in the sense that we should have a good knowledge of what we are promoting, our target geographical location, and our daily budget, as well as our advertising time. For example, an English learning institution would run a campaign to promote its English tutoring classes and create different ad groups for each type of English class. For example, they may create different ad groups for English for traveling, business English, and English for primary school students. It is suggested that we should give our campaign different names so that we can target our audience accurately. 2. Ad groups. Our ad group is the third layer in the structure. It consists of our keywords and ads. In this layer, we will get to see and manage our keywords and ads. We can also set our bid for different keywords in that ad group all at once. We should consider the meaning and see whether our keywords are synonyms before we choose to place them in the same ad group. It is the best for us to place synonyms in the same ad group so that we can customize an ad for those keywords and ensure it can flow smoothly. At the same time, rather than setting our bid separately for each keyword, setting our bid collectively for all the keywords in a group can help us to work more efficiently. Number 1, making sure that our ad is connected properly. If we want to purchase keywords that are effective in boosting our sales, we should think holistically and select these keywords that people would search when searching for a particular product or topic. For example, these keywords can be their synonyms and the adjectives we use to describe them. We can then include them in the same ad group. The purpose of adding synonyms and relevant adjectives to an ad group is to ensure different keywords in that particular group can all stay highly relevant and connected to the ad. A smooth ad can help us to increase the number of clicks by highlighting the relevance of our keywords to the user's search. Number 2, a campaign can contain 1,000 ad groups at maximum. We can create 1,000 ad groups within a campaign. An ad group can show 5 status. They are ads enabled, ads paused, ads that are not within its advertising period, campaign budget exhausted, and account budget exhausted. It is essential for us to check the status of our account timely and to adjust our plan timely. 3. Keywords. Needless to say, people would need to put words in the search bar to search for things they are looking for. And these terms are what we refer to as keywords. A good keyword would help a company to reach more of its potential customers. We need to understand 3 things in this part of the process. Number 1, what is cost per click? Cost per click is a fee that we need to pay in order to trigger our ads. The price is determined by how competitive the bid is. For example, factors such as other people's bid and the popularity of a keyword can all affect our cost per click. This cost may change at any time. That means today's price may be different to yesterday's price for the same keyword. If their two keywords and their level of competition is the same, then the keyword with a high quality score will give us a lower cost per conversion. Therefore, it is really important for us to pay attention to a keyword's quality score. Number 2, how to set our maximum cost per click for our keywords. Get into the campaign and ad group page, then get into the keyword page. Once we got there, just click on the keyword that we want to set our bid for, or we can set our bid for different keywords collectively. Number 3, what is a negative keyword and how can we set our negative keywords? There are two types of negative keywords. The first one is ball match. This means the search engine will not display our ad if a user's search has included our negative keywords. For example, if we choose to set pictures of flowers as our negative keyword, then results like how to get a nice picture of your flowers will not show up in the search results. The second one is exact match. This means our ad will only be hidden if a user has searched the exact term that we set as a negative keyword. For example, the search engine will only hide our ad when its user search for pictures of flowers. In this case, results like how to get a nice picture of your flowers will still be displayed. Number 2, setting our negative keywords. We can also set our negative keywords for each campaign in the campaign page. In order to do that, we need to get into the campaign management page, then select the campaign we want to set the negative keyword for. Then select negative keyword in more options to insert our negative keywords. Once we are ready, just click Save to save the change. 4. Ads. Our ads consist of the heading and 2 descriptions. Our heading is the most important part of our ads. It is the reader's first impression of our ad, and it is there to attract more people to our website. If our heading is not outstanding, then our readers may ignore the ad straight away. Number 1, how to optimize an ad. There is a 50-word limit for our heading. On the one hand, it will be very difficult for our target audience to get the main focus of our ad if its heading is too long. On the other hand, we won't be able to convey our message clearly if our heading is too short. Therefore, it is important for us to control the length of our heading. Generally speaking, a concise and powerful heading should be around 15 to 20 Chinese characters. Number 2, using the appropriate wildcard character. If we want the ad to show the alternative keywords instead of the default keyword when it shows up in a list of search results, we must use the appropriate wildcard character for the platform to replace the keyword automatically. At least 2 or 3 keywords from our keyword list must show up in our ad to show other users that our ad is highly relevant to their searches. Number 3, including our keywords in our heading to enhance brand exposure and awareness. A nice ad will give people more insight about our company, including our business growth and the products we sell. If our heading can't even help other users to understand the main focus, then there's no reason for a visitor to visit our website. Therefore, we should mention the name of our brand, our business growth, or products in the title of the ad. It doesn't have to be long. All we have to do is to tell other users a little bit more about our company and our presence. Number 2, how to make people click on our ads. The whole point for us to optimize our ad is that we want to attract more users to click on it. Therefore, in order to reach our goal, we have to put ourselves in the shoes of our customers. For example, when we go shopping, the first thing we do is to see what discounts are available and what promotions are there. Therefore, we should mention our discounts and promotion activities in our ads to attract more users. However, we can't publish misleading information and we must follow our code of conduct strictly. Number 3. How to attach the URL of our webpage to the advertising account. In fact, when we set our URL links to our website, we can attach the link to both of our keyword and the ad itself. If we have attached 2 different URLs to our ads and keyword, then the platform will redirect other users to the URL that's attached to our keyword. Of course, if we didn't attach any URL to our keyword, then other users will be redirected to the URL that we attached to the ad. Time's up. Here's our advice for optimizing your account structure. For more information on digital marketing in China, please subscribe to Saluzan.